Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix this recipient's account is unable to accept payments in Cash App. If you're using Cash App and you're trying to send payments to anyone or any account, but you're facing this type issue that you see a message that your recipient's account is unable to accept payments. So let's see how can you easily fix this. So you have to keep in mind that the issue is unable to fix from yourself because when it happens because of a lack of verification, or it might be the person has been disabled the receiving payment settings, or it might be a transaction limit to that person's account. If you want to fix that issue, so you cannot fix the issue. The person has to verify their account, or they have to check the payment settings. They have to also check the transaction limit, or if this not work for them, so they have to restart the app, or if they can also try to uninstall and then reinstall the app, and after that your issue must be fixed and you will be able to send the payments, and the other person will be able to receive payments, and otherwise there is no any option to fix this. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye.